Oh wow, look. Look at all those deer over there. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15,
17, 18, 19,
20, 21,
21,
22,
23.
23 deer.
Twenty-four.
24. 24. What's up everybody, welcome back to the Daynator channel and another muffler comparison video. In today's video we're going to be comparing the Cherry Bomb M-80 versus the Flowmaster Super 10. This was suggested in one of the comments on one of my videos, so I thought I'd go ahead and give this a try. In a previous video I have compared the Cherry Bomb M-80 versus the Cherry Bomb Extreme. So anyway, let's compare these two brands, the Cherry Bomb M-80 versus the Flowmaster Super 10. The M-80 is a single chamber design. It has no packing in it. It's a 5-inch round body. It's 100% aluminized steel. It has a directional wing plate design, so it matters which way you put this thing on your vehicle. And the website touts it having an aggressive performance and sound. Now flipping over to the Flowmaster Super 10, it's characterized as a race muffler, and again a single chamber design. It features what they call Delta Flow technology, which are basically two angled plates in the inside of the muffler. So this also makes it directional, so it matters which way you put it on your vehicle. The website states that the Super 10 offers minimal reduction in decibel levels over open headers. So I'm going to be running these two mufflers on a stock 5.3 engine, just basically a muffler swap. The catalytic converters are still intact on both of these vehicles, but stay tuned to the end of the video because I will be comparing these two mufflers without catalytic converters as well. So without further ado, enjoy the video. Alright, so what did you think? M-80 or Super 10? Let me know in the comment section below. For me, I'm going to have to go with the Super 10. I really do like the sound of the M-80, but I'm going to give the upper hand to Super 10 for this video. It's got that iconic Flowmaster sound. Sounds really good. But I will say, the interior drone noise is a lot higher than the M-80. So for daily driving, I think I'd probably go with the M-80, but the overall sound, I got to go with the Super 10. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I want to thank you for watching. Be sure and check out the channel. I've got several playlists of exhaust videos if you want to watch more content on that. I've got a lot of repair videos, some fun vlogs and such. If it warrants your subscription, I greatly appreciate it. Just hit that notification bell so you know when I post new content. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time.